Hey guys, it is Kenzie. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be, you've probably read the title already, so you know what it's going to be. But it's going to be a Glossier first impressions video. But yeah, I'm so excited for this. I have had this stuff sitting around for quite a little while now. So yeah, if you haven't heard of Glossier, it's like a American skincare makeup brand, and honestly, just have a look on their Instagram and you'll want to buy everything. It just really draws you in. They don't actually ship to Australia, which is super annoying. But I managed to get my hands on these by using a shipping service. So they just give you an American address and then they ship it to you. But it is quite expensive. That's something to keep in mind. I made an order just before Lash Slick came out. And I was really bummed that Lash Slick hadn't been announced yet, and there were also like a few other things that I was like, I really want them. So I made another order and now I have nearly everything. Not everything, but makeup wise I think I have nearly everything, which is so bad. It's been literally so hard not to actually use this stuff. I will admit I have used two things, and that is the coconutbalm.com because it is winter and my lips are like dry AF. And secondly, I have been using the Boy Brow because I ran out of all my brow products. But yeah, so let's get into this video because I feel like it's going to be a long one. I have all my goodies in here. Look how cute that looks. Okay, so I have the priming moisturizer in Rich, and I thought I would pick this up because it had really good reviews online. Sorry if I like lean into the camera, I can't see properly. I'm using the viewfinder. Ooh, it smells really nice. Okay, so I have let that sink in and my skin is feeling very hydrated. So Glossier is known for their natural glossy kind of look. So that's kind of like not what I go for. I usually go for a matte finish, but I'm excited to try like this out. And I feel like most people who like promote Glossier and stuff, their skin's like not perfect, but like pretty good. Maybe I'll move you in a little. Okay, so you can probably see a little bit better now, like my redness and my scarring on my cheeks, and I have a lot of redness around my nose. So we're going to see how this does for someone who doesn't have really great skin. Now I'm going to try this skin tint. I have this in light. So I've seen people do this. This is what people seem to do. And you're meant to rub it in with your fingers. Oh, that feels so watery. Oh no, that's just water. Did I put too much of that on? Like, it's meant to, I know it's a skin tint. Nah, this is not right. This is too watery. Like, am I meant to shake this? Shake before use. Fuck. So don't make the mistake I just did. Make sure you shake this well before you use it. Okay, hopefully that's better. Oh, that's already so much better. So it's just like a skin tint. It's not meant to do that much. I don't know if you can see any difference because this side's not as well lit. But let's see. Okay, at first I didn't think it had done anything, but I do think it's like made my skin glowier. But like, as you can see, you can still see every single pimple I have. I might just try and do a bit more. Especially on my nose and my cheeks. It's like where my redness comes through. And my chin. We'll go in with the Stretch Concealer in the shade Blight as well. I'm like not used to using my fingers for a lot like products. I feel like the concealer's pretty good for like a light concealer at concealing my redness. Honestly, could keep concealing forever though. I have really wanted to try the cloud paints, and they are like a blush. I have the two newly released Storm and Dawn. No, that's Haze. This one. Let me sort myself out. Storm and Dawn are the two new shades. But for today, I feel like I'm going to use Beam and Dusk. Beam and Dusk, they're like some really nice neutrals. This is like a peachy colour, and this is a bit more, I don't even know how to explain it. I think I'm going to try and use this one as a bit of a contour and this as my blush. So you just kind of, don't do that. Oh my god. Oh my god. The packaging's a little messy for these if you have never used a product like this at first. So I'm just gonna, oh god, I feel like I've done too much. But I actually quite like this. This colour is really nice. I definitely went too hard. Definitely. But it's really pretty. And I feel like once you learn how to use it and like how much to apply, it would be better. It does look really pretty, especially like a bit from a distance. I want to try and use a bit of Dusk to contour, although I don't want to make the same mistake. I'm just gonna go in here. Okay, I quite like that as like a bit of a contour. See, this looks really nice on camera when it's not like super zoomed in. I got the colour, the Halo Scope in Quartz. Yes, Quartz. And it's like a nice champagne-y kind of colour, which you can't see because my camera's shit. Again, I've never really used stick highlighter before, so I think I'm gonna go in with my hands instead of onto the face, because I just feel like it's going to take up any of the skin tint that I did have. Yeah, you can definitely see it. It's quite nice. It's very subtle, but would be good just when you just need the tiniest bit. Like, okay, I'm going to use the Wowder, and I got it with the brush combo because I wanted to see what that looked like. And so this is, the packaging is so cute. I freaking love it. Wowder. So cute. I do feel very shiny right now, which I'm like very conscious of. But yeah, and I don't want it to just look like I'm sweating all the time. Oh, this is weird. The brush even comes in its own little pouch. Like, that's so cute. I'm gonna put that down. It's only the lid, it's okay. Very nice. Dip brush into mesh, then gently tap the side of the jar to remove excess powder. Oh, okay. You can definitely see the powder. I got this in light to medium, so I'm just gonna put it on like my chin, my laugh lines, and under my eye. I think that's really nice. It's hard to tell with powders until you've like worn them for the whole day. So I'll let you know on this, because if it seems quite nice. Like that just looks a little, like it's still dewy, but it's nice. And you can really like see the highlight now, which looks really good. That was a long stretch down. Okay. And next up is the Lid Stars, and it comes in, oh wait, that's not Lid Star. It comes in 6 colors, and I got 5 of the 6 colors. I wasn't really interested in the color Herb. Americans say herb, so I'm gonna go herb, but we say it herb. But yeah, so it comes in 6 colors, and they just look so pretty in the tube. I think I'm going to use the colors Moon and Cup. So they're basically, their packaging is just like a little test tube looking thing, or lip gloss. And I've heard people say these aren't very pigmented. So you can see the shine. And they're just like a cream eyeshadow. This one would be really nice if you just wanted a little bit of something on your lid. But like, honestly, it's still clear, this Moon color. But there is a bit of shine. It's like that glossy kind of lid look, which is nice. By the way, if you do watch my channel, you will know I can't do eyeshadow. So that's kind of why I got these, because I'm hoping it will help me. And I've seen people say it's foolproof, but I'm here to prove that wrong. So that is Moon, and you honestly can't really see it unless I'm like this. And then you can see it. But it would look quite nice in the inner corner, actually. My eyebrows are horrible at the moment, please don't judge. Okay, so this one. I don't even know where to put eyeshadow, to be honest. Like, I feel like I do it too much of it. It's very subtle, but I like it. I don't like over the top eyeshadow because I can't do it, so. But I feel like you could build this up and it doesn't feel sticky or anything, which is good because that's what I was worried about. But there, you can definitely see it. I'm not in the best light because this sun is about to go down, but if you can see that, it's just like a really nice little bit of a little wash of color for the lid. And I just love the name Lid Star. I wanted to try Boy Brow because it kept coming up as the best dupe for Benefit's Gimme Brow, which was discontinued or recalled last year. So look, you can see there's a clear difference, like a really big difference in my eyebrows right now, and that is just one coat, so quick. But I really like this product, and at first I didn't like it, and I don't remember why. I think because it was it's a bit more textured than Gimme Brow, and I think that's why I didn't like it. But I have really enjoyed this, and it just makes your brows look really nice and natural. And like, I wouldn't say it's the best if you have big spots that need filling in. You'll probably like want to use something else to do that, but it does add a wash of color. I'm using it in the shade, I can't see, brown. I'm like reading it upside down. But yeah, I really like this product, and I can see why it's the best seller. But yeah, so that is Boy Brow. now for what I have been like waiting for is the Glossier Lash Slick, which I thought was called Lash Stick, and I thought like a few people just said it wrong in their videos. I'm like, oh, that's so embarrassing, but I was just literally calling this the wrong thing for like a month. But I like the name Lash Stick, it makes sense to me. But this is a tubing mascara, and it's meant to not, it's water resistant and it's meant to not flake, which was the selling point for me. I've never used a tubing mascara, and it's just like meant to look like you have lash extensions, and it just makes your lashes so nice and long. Oh my god, like look at that, that is a big difference. That is one coat. It's very separating of every lash, which I freaking love. Oh, this is so cool. Oh my god, I love this mascara. If this doesn't flake, I'm going to be so happy, because I stopped wearing mascara on my bottom lashes to work because it would just flake during the day, and oh my god, my camera is not focusing. And if I can start wearing that again, I'll be so happy. Oh my god, I love that mascara. That is like one coat on each side. A real test though. Okay, so last two products I have to try are the Generation G lipsticks, and I have two shades. I have the shade Cake and the shade Zip. So I'll try and swatch these for you. They're quite a sheer coverage, but they are matte and buildable. But I think this shade Cake is going to be like a really nice everyday color for me anyway. And I don't really have any reds. So this top one here is Cake and this is Zip. I think I might go for Zip just because Cake I feel like I'm gonna wear every day, and Zip is probably gonna be a bit more of a rare. Keep in mind this is matte, but I have the lip balm on underneath. So I'm not going to go too full on. I kind of want it to look like, is it the Korean kind of thing where they just have the nice red lips? I really like that. I like the colour, and I like that it's not like too intense, but I can build it up if I want to. Really like that. Okay, so that is the finished look. I'm pretty happy with everything. The only thing I'm not really sure about is the skin tint, but I love the boy brow. I love the lash slick. I think I really like the concealer. The lid stars I like. It'll be interesting to see if they crease. The lipstick I like, and I really liked the cloud paints. And I also like the halo scope. I probably wouldn't use it every day. But like on a more natural day, I'll definitely keep you updated on what products I have been enjoying. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed today's video, and let me know if you've tried Glossier, and I'll also leave some links to some Glossier Reps below so you can get 20% off your first order. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!